Redraw facilities, accessing extra repayments made to your home loan. Andre, I've been hearing about redraw facilities in home loans, but I'm not entirely sure what they are and how they work. Could you explain?
Absolutely, Mary. A redraw facility is a feature, often available with variable home loans and sometimes with fixed loans. It allows you to access extra repayments made to your loan. For example, consider that the minimum monthly repayments required for your loan are $3,000. We will also consider that the interest rate is variable, at 6% per annum. If the rate doesn't fluctuate, at the end of 12 months, you will make $36,000 in repayments. Now, if you decide to make additional repayments of $500 on top of your minimum repayments each month, at the end of 12 months, you will pay $6,000 more to your loan. The total amount of repayments made will be $42,000. From that, $6,000 represents your extra repayments and can be accessed via the redraw facility.
That's very interesting. Do the extra repayments need to be made monthly, or can they also be made as occasional lump sums?
That is a great question, Mary. Extra repayments can be made either monthly or as occasional lump sums, depending on what works best for you. The key is that any extra repayments you make can be accessed later through the redraw facility.
That's very interesting and sounds very convenient. What are the advantages of having a redraw facility?
One of the main benefits is flexibility. By making extra repayments, you will reduce the principal balance and potentially save on interest over the life of the loan. I'll give you an example. Consider that you have a home loan with outstanding balance of $500,000. Now consider that you sold an asset and decided to transfer $20,000 in proceeds from this sale, right to your home loan. The home loan balance will reduce by $20,000 and interest will be charged on the reduced loan amount. The redraw facility allows you to access those extra funds if needed for unexpected expenses or investments in the future. So for example, if you want to use $10,000 from the funds available in your redraw facility for an upcoming trip or renovation around your house, you can just access those funds without having to apply for a separate loan.
That does sound handy. And will I pay less interest as well?
Yes, Mary. Funds in the redraw facility are typically offset against your loan balance, which means you'll effectively be saving on interest for as long as the funds remain in the facility. This can help you pay off your loan sooner and save money on interest costs in the long run.
Those are definitely compelling reasons to have a redraw facility. Are there any downsides or risks associated with them?
One downside is that some redraw facilities may have restrictions or fees associated with accessing the funds. For example, there may be minimum redraw amounts and limits on the number of redraws allowed per year. It's essential to review the terms and conditions of the redraw facility carefully to understand any limitations or costs involved. It is important to speak to your mortgage broker and understand the best possible combination of features and products for your circumstances.
I see. So, it's essential to understand the terms and conditions to make sure the redraw facility meets my needs. How can I access the funds in the redraw facility if I need them?
Accessing funds from the redraw facility is typically straightforward. Most lenders offer online banking platforms or mobile apps where you can easily transfer funds from the redraw facility to your linked transaction account. Some lenders may also offer the option to access funds in person at a branch or via phone banking.
That sounds convenient. Thank you for explaining how redraw facilities work, Andre. It's given me a better understanding of their benefits and considerations.
You're welcome, Mary. Redraw facilities can be a valuable feature of home loans, providing flexibility and potential savings on interest costs. If you have any further questions, or if you'd like to explore home loan options with redraw facilities, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help.